Welcome to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. And the US regulator has warned banks that crypto is not safe and sound. And the FDIC, Federal Reserve, and the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency collaborated on the declaration, said so, and they tried to warn the banks that the crypto is not safe and sound. And one man is backing them up. We all know this guy, Peter Schiff. Peter Schiff has always been anti-crypto, or it has always been someone that do not believe in crypto, because he's been saying crypto will go to zero, and we all know crypto went to about 70,000 US dollars, or close to 70,000 US. I'm talking about 69,950, and is now down to about 15, 16,000. You can see the market has been moving within that range, and see what he has to say. It says, if Bitcoin is a risk asset, then what exactly is its value proposition? In question mark. If investor wants to take on risks, they have an abundance of superior alternatives. Bitcoin already failed as a currency, a digital gold in question, like we all know, we all call Bitcoin digital gold, and a non-correlated asset. That means it won't succeed as a risk asset either. So this guy has always been saying it, and we now see that even on the news, we saw Bitcoin volatility may return in catch up with gold in 2023. So if this is correct, do you agree with what this guy is saying, or do you feel like he's just still hating on cryptocurrency? And we all know crypto has been down for so many times now. We can see from the all-time high, when we go to the monthly chart. Let me show you quickly. You can see from the all-time high of 69 thereabout, we're sitting around 16K, which I think, if you look at what this guy is saying, he's got a point. But do you believe, or do you think what it's saying it's correct, or it's going to come to pass, saying Bitcoin can never catch up with gold? Though analysts have come out, they've come out and say BTC is going to catch up with gold this year, come 2023, and is even going to surpass it. We saw a lot of influencers that have been talking about it, saying BTC or cryptocurrency is here to stay, and BTC will even rise above 100K, and the other way is what happened. So that's what I want to talk to you about this morning. And also, let's check what is happening with Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam Bankman-Fried plead not guilty to fraud and other financial crimes, and also we know he's trying to raise, or he has been bailed for 250 million, and even saying the jail wasn't a good place for him. But somebody like that, does he, or is he in the right position to choose where he needs to be after doing whatever he has done? But though he say he's pleaded not guilty, and we're going to see that unfold. And we see SBF get to keep bail co-signer secret, just like his lawyer did for Maxwell. And he said he doesn't want the two people that raised the 250 million US dollars to be known to the world. Maybe because he doesn't want people to, how am I going to call it, bash them or have issues with them or stuff like that. But they're keeping it secret. But I know people are going to dig it out, especially the haters on the guy. And other thing we just need to know is Solana surges about 16% as Dogecoin team Shiba Inu rival bonds take off. And Binance partner with Ukrainian pharmacies to allow crypto payment. So all of these, when we're looking at it, we're going to see some mixed understanding in it, because now US regulators coming out to warn that crypto is not safe and sound. And we can see in Ukraine now, Binance is not even partnering with pharmacy. We can now see saying, we can now hear the analysts saying Bitcoin is going to catch up with gold in 2023. So are we not going to say the US regulator, they don't know what they're saying by warning the bank? Or are we going to say Peter Schiff, that has been right, talking about since when he has been saying Bitcoin will fall, and Bitcoin has been falling, saying Bitcoin can never be in correlation with gold? When you look at the asset, or when you look at the market cap of gold and BTC, gold keep rising while BTC keeps falling. And talking about inflation, we say BTC is going to be edge inflation, but that has not been the case. It has been gold that a lot of people have been banking their money on. So you might just want to share your own view down in the comment section and let me know what you think about what this guy is saying and what the US regulations are talking about regarding cryptocurrency, and also for you to get signals about the trades and chart that will be we are taking on this channel. You might want to subscribe to the Discord channel and the Telegram channel. It's for free, guys. You don't need to pay any amount and you get free signals for all what you need to do. And also, if you're just coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, please, you can do that right now. Subscribe to the channel, like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be part of this great thing that's been happening on this platform. So that's what I have for you right now. I will see you later on another episode on this channel. So stay safe, stay out of trouble. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim. And remember, crypto is the future, even though the regulator says the warns the bank that crypto is not safe and sound. Please share your opinion down there in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Peace out.